What's up, everyone? AJ here again, back with another episode of craft, working in craft. Guys, I love this app. Falling in love with it more and more every time I use it. I love the UI. They're doing a great job over there. Design is beautiful. It works amazing. They also just released a new update. Um, this update contains uh, craft update, new highlight options, PDF annotation, localization, and holiday app icons. Um, so, excuse me, in this episode, quickly talk about gradient highlights and PDF annotations. I think if we, yeah, so they added some cool Christmas emojis um, uh, for gradients. So, this is a cool text header gradient. Very easy. We're gonna make this bigger so everyone can see. Am I recording? Okay, yeah, sorry. I'm gonna make this a. Can I make it a title? Cool. And then you have your colors here, which is great and all. But your highlight, it's a highlight option, so you have to go here, and this is the shortcut for it. I love how they have all these shortcuts, so you don't have to like ever worry about using your mouse. But you can highlight here, and you have your normal colors. But then look, yeah, they added 5 gradient colors. I'm sure they'll add more or a way to customize this, but this is still really cool. Like we can definitely like that looks. Look how, come on guys, look how good that looks, right? So that's one of the additions. So then I'm gonna go ahead and upload a file from my downloads, and I'm gonna upload my startup's pitch deck. Make sure that you have a file that is not that big, because if it's kind of big, Craft is gonna take a while to kind of upload it. So what I'm gonna do, since it's now officially uploaded, how you can annotate on this, which is freaking sick, is you just open this up, and sometimes you open this up, right? And look, it's like a preview inside of Craft. Do not click this. Do not click open with preview, right? So all you need to do really is click this annotation here, and then you get all your annotation options. And literally, it's just like, yeah, I'm gonna circle all this. Cool. Do some scribble. Cool. I made a circle. Then I'm gonna do this, right? Cool. Sweet. Kalava's gonna be sick. Cool. Let's do one of these. Cool. And then what I'll just do is click done, right? And I'll close out of it. And then it does this little upload thing, right? And then all I have to do is double click and look. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Craft is doing some legit stuff, man. Come on. Who else is doing this? Who else is doing this? So really excited. Love this. I love this. Oh my god, I love this. They're doing some really cool things over here. So I have this space open for everyone. It pretty much just goes through all the episodes I've created so far for Craft. Dive into these, guys. Please dive into these. I mean, it's gonna teach you a lot. See what you can reference my episodes and just follow along. But please like, comment, subscribe below. Let me know what type of feature you might want me to cover in Craft next, or if you're having any issues with Craft. But yeah, we have about 3 members in here. We had about we had like 5, or no, we had close to 5 or 7 earlier this week, but we had some people leave because they got what they wanted. So yeah, guys, really excited to keep seeing what Craft has in store for us. But I really hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you in the next one.